जागतीक बायलां दिसा निमतान गोंयभर बिरेस्तारा विविध मळांचेर वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी जाल्यो. पणजे पुलीस हेडक्वॉर्टर्सांत महिला पुलिसां खातीर खासा भाशण आशिल्लें. पंचायत पावंड्यारूय कार्यावळी जाल्यो. ह्या निमतान गोंयच्या अस्तुऱ्यांक उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनान परबी भेटयल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I faced a very serious crisis while I was SP in my life, personal problem, and I was very desperate. That is the time I read this book, and this book gave me so much of confidence in life. I have a hard copy of this in my home, in Hindi as well as in English. This book has been translated in several languages in the world. Very, very nicely written. Each line is important. So anyone who feels that there is a crisis in his life, and anyone, even if there is no crisis, please read this book. It is an eye-opener. Many issues will be resolved.
Why should we say Women's Day? I should say Happy Humans Day. That is a message in totality for all the human beings living on this earth. Unless that equality is there, you cannot flourish. Let me tell you, even some people have the notion that they want to only have the male child. The ratio between the girl and the boy is going down, and this is causing imbalance. At times it may lead to commission of offenses also. It's because if you don't get a good partner for a match for you, then these people, then they will get sort of depressed. They will have problems in their life. So definitely, and they will become vagabonds on the street. They may commit any offenses towards ladies, crime against women, and there will be lawlessness. So it is that equal ratio, equality that should exist, and all girl child and all parents should empower their children, first of all with good education. That is the firm base of all the further empowerment. I wish all Happy Women's Day.
Today is March 8th, International Women's Day. On this occasion, it gives me pleasure to wish on my personal behalf all the women who are watching this particular segment. And this is a day when we celebrate womanhood, and it is also an occasion for everyone to celebrate the women in their life. A woman goes through many challenges and many difficulties, I would say, before she is able to achieve what she has set for herself as an aim or objective. And this is a task that I sincerely believe can be achieved only with the wholehearted support of all the other women in her life as well as the men in her life.
महिला दिन वो एक दीस आसा जो आमी जे बायलांक जे हक्क आसा ते हक्का खातीर आमी झुजपाक जाय हे मेसेज आमी दिता. सो महिला दिन खऱ्यांनी महिला दिन जातलो जाल्यार हर एक बायल आनी आपले हक्का खातीर झुजपाक जाय, आनी हर एक समाजाचो सदस्य तो मागीर दादलो जावं या भुरगीं जावं, ह्या बायलांचे जे कितें हक्क आसा ते हक्क मेळपा खातीर आपलो तेंको दिवपाक जाय.
And it is always said that the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. आज काल आमी सगळी बायल जे पंचायती निवडून येयलाय, रिजर्वेशनाक लागून पयली पाटी आमी येयलाय, पूण जायती बायल हिंगा आसाय आमचे मोदें जावं आमची ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आनी जायत जाण आहाय जे विदाउट रिजर्वेशन ओपन सीटाचेर निवडून येयलाय.
Let me salute a woman, first woman in my life, my mother. Let me salute all the women here. Let me salute all the women of Goa. Let me salute all the women of India and the world. We are here because you are there. Women are there. Woman is called as Adi Shakti in the Hindu What is meant by Adi Shakti is the Shakti, the first Shakti of the world.
व आज आम्ही इंडियात भारतात न्ही सगळ्या जगभर मनयतात, पूण ताची सुरवात जी जाली ती 1909 सालात जाली. USA म्हळ्यार अमेरिकेक ती सुरवात जाली. केवळ तांचे जे हक्क आसात, बायलांचे हक्क आसात, म्हळ्यार आमी म्हणटात अमेरिका इतलो फुडारलेलो देश जाल्यार बायलांचे खंय प्रॉब्लेम्स आसात, बायलो आनी दादले थंय सगळे बरोबरीन करतात. तरी आसतना थंय सुद्दां प्रॉब्लेम्स आसात. बायलांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आमचे जशे हांगा आसात तशेंच थंय आसात. तांचे कदाचित वेगळे आसतले, आमचे हांगा वेगळे आसात. जशे आमचे गोंयांत बायलांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स वेगळे आसात आनी आमचे शेजारचे स्टेट आसा कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्रा, थंय बायलांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स वेगळे आसात. मागीर सगळी कडेन वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आसात, पूण प्रॉब्लेम्स आमकां सगळ्या बायलांक आसाच. आनी त्या खातीर हो जो दीस आसा तो अत्यंत म्हत्वाचो आसा.